Everyone, respected principals, teachers and my dear friends. I am Sari of Grade VIII Sapphire. Today is Saturday 25th January 2025. Our English easy and charming by the daily new word. Now I call upon Karthik Gaud to present new word.
Happy morning everyone. Today's word is brought to you by Karthik of Grade VIII Sapphire. What? Confidence. It means having strong belief or full consideration. Sure. Friends, please spell after me. Confidence. 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 Thank you.
Good thought is something that we can apply in our daily life. Now I call upon Manish to share his thought of the day.
Happy morning to all. Today's thought is brought to you by Manish. Today's thought. People don't see your struggle. They see only your success. Thank you.
Let us scratch our brain to answer the GK question. Now I call upon Vikas to ask GK questions.
Happy morning to everyone. Today's GK questions is brought to you by Vikas of Grade VIII Sapphire. Question for Grade VII. Who is the father of general knowledge? Once again I am repeating, who is the father of general knowledge? No, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is Bikaji Kama. Question for Grade 8. Which city is known as Silicon City of India? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Bangalore. Question for Grade 9. Which country is invented pencil? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is English. Thank you.
Let's have a speech on how to face challenges and struggles in our life. Now I call upon Pavitra to present her speech.
Happy morning everyone. Today's speech is brought to you by K. Pavitra of Grade VIII Sapphire. Life is all about challenges and struggles which have no end. Sometimes big problems can come. Sometimes it may be small problems, but the solution is the one to keep always easy. Life without struggles is failure of life. We don't have to return back or have to give up. In the life you can face unlimited problems, but the solution is the one to keep calm and think not to be tensed anything about in this world. Everything is possible if you believe. Life is all about challenges, but the challenges are given only for a good person. Example, a good role is given to good actor. Similarly, good challenges are given to good players. So, do your best in your life and give 100% in your life. We have one life. If we live once, good it's enough. Good is it's enough. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Sarvi family, for the opportunities.